How great is this? You got the KISS truck right here. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. And the truck itself, just as nice. Look at that. A must for any KISS fan, right? So RK Motors is having their fall drive-in. We were here a couple weeks ago in their showroom, which is awesome. If you haven't watched that video, check that one out. Let's see what cars have shown up for this drive-in. Well, it's too bad Miss Carolina Car Dude isn't here, because this Bel Air she would be a super fan of. A little modern touch inside. Take a look at this Malibu.
No, I haven't done it yet, but every time we go to the car show, we're like, we gotta get going. Yes, because I got 4 of them. I just got to do 5. I guarantee you.
I like both body styles, but I don't know.
And the last time it was registered was in, the title was 1993.
It is a beautiful day for a car show for sure. And we'll take a look inside the building here at some of those beauties they got for sale once we get done looking out here. And the General Lee, you don't see this too much at the car shows. I know there's like all kinds of different orange colors people have painted this. There's a really good YouTube video recently talking about all the different orange paint colors people have thrown on the General Lee. Got a black and white Bel Air. This one's a 56. '61 Bel Air.
Make me sick, come on. Up on the phone, make me crash my car. I make me feel free too. Up on a new track, up on the phone, have my head. Up on the phone, make me mouth too dry. I make my eyes too red. When it won't make me nervous, when it what to do. When it makes me feel like I feel when I'm with you. I'm alone with you.
That's a cool added touch. I haven't seen that at a car show before. We got a 66 Chevy. What a fantastic truck. So the RK Motors showroom is one of the best. Like, you're gonna see just some incredible vehicles. We've done a couple videos on them. Like, there's a Trans Am right over there. I'll put the links down below if you want to check out a little bit more in detail the showroom part. I'll show you a couple vehicles here, but this place is awesome. I don't know what kind of vehicle this one is, but man, does this one stand out. What do you think the asking price is on this? Oh, talk about a showstopper. A 1937 Ford 3-window coupe, right under 100,000. So I just heard one of the employees talking, and he said they sell about 25 to 30 vehicles a month. And I believe it. The way they have all these cars displayed in here, you walk in here, like, you're gonna wanna buy something, but they are expensive here. Of all the companies selling cars on consignment, RK Motors has the most expensive ones for sure. But they're incredible. We have a 69 Camaro right here. And I'll say this about this place. We were here about a month or two ago, and most of the vehicles inside here are completely new. There's very few vehicles in here I recognize from the last time we were in here. So even though these cars are pricey, they do sell. This Camaro Z28 is sharp. Love the orange on it. Got a 69 Camaro. One of the nicer vehicles here, and it's just kind of off to the side. How would you like to have this sitting in your garage?
When they don't cost too much, I'll come in a bit. I want a new time when the phone go away. Hey. When the phone keep me up all night, or when the won't make me sleep all night. When it won't make me nervous, when it wants to go, when it makes me feel like I feel when I'm with you. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, baby.
So the RK Motors fall drive-in, fantastic. Had free food, free drinks, just an awesome mix of modern, classic cars, some really unique cars. They had the Soundwave car, which I've seen at a couple car shows, love it. General Lee was here. Got some Pontiac Trans Am, Smoking the Bandit replicas here. So yeah, fantastic show. I highly recommend always coming to RK Motors.